We are going to write a Python program to print triangle pattern. See, we are having a triangle here. It is a right angle triangle. For this, we are going to write a Python program. The variable n equal to integer of input of in the double quotation. I'm giving a string. Enter the range. Enter the range means the number of rows you want to print the stars to form a triangle. Now I'm writing a for loop for I in range starting value 1 and the stop value is n plus 1 followed by a colon. For is a keyword for the for loop. I is the loop variable. Range function will generate a list from 1 to the last number minus 1. So here it is giving n plus 1 means it will generate up to n. The loop variable I will take the value from 1 to n in the each iteration. In operator helps purpose. So every iteration, the loop variable I will take the value from 1 to n 1 by 1. Now I am writing a body of the for loop, the core logic. I am giving a tab space. Tab space stands for the statement which I am writing is within the scope of the for loop. I am writing a print statement. Print. Here I am having a string star and a space followed by have a multiplication symbol followed by the loop variable I. So here what it will do, initially the I value is 1. So the print star space is multiplied with 1. So only 1 star will get printed. The next iteration I will take the value 2. Print statement, print the value in the next row. Now I is 2 means star multiplied with 2. The 2 star will get printed. So up to n, the star will get increased in the each row. This will form a right angle triangle. Now we will execute the program and check the result. So enter the range. I am giving 5. So I have a right angle star triangle pattern. So it is having a 5 rows. See, first row 1 star, second row 2 star, and fifth row 5 stars. So you have to give any value. It will print the right angle triangle up to the number of rows which you are giving as an input. That is not only rows, that is equal to number of stars. For example, 6th row will have a 6 stars. If you give a 10, 10th row will have a 10 stars. That's it. The program is working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.